Let's say you are seeking help in getting a particular rule being troubleshoot, determining what is wrong. So as we see, this is the name of the rule, suspicious outbound web proxy traffic. It consists, first it asks for the blue code proxy log source, but then it has a custom category that was defined in here. And actually, if that category is contained in this reference set, then the rule should fire. Let's go to the admin tab to see what's in that reference set. So we see that this particular reference set has 18 elements in it. And for me to test the rule and to have somebody help me with testing the rule, I want to pass it on with all these particular parameters. I open an SSA session with the curator box, and the first thing that I need to do here is actually search for the ID number of that specific rule. And here it is, 104303. Next, we use the same content management tool, but the action now is export on this directory, the TMP. The custom rule is that ID that we got. We want, details of the process to see if everything went well, but we also include this parameter, include reference data element, which is going to drag not only the reference set, but everything that is inside that reference set. Those 18 elements should now be part of my export. It went very well. So now in that temp directory under this name, and you can rename this long name if you want to, we see that the reference set went there with also the 18 elements, and so was the log source, that's the sensor type device, but also the custom category that we defined for it, and the actual rule itself. So all is in that package, that zip file. Now we need to send the actual log or logs, if there are more than one, to the person that's going to help us troubleshoot the rule. So what we need to do is go into the particular log, and this is the one that we're going to be sending, and we do action, export, full export all columns. And so the file is going to be exported with this particular name. I unzip the file, and actually I'm going to rename it to keep a shorter name. I'm going to call it help.csv. And I'm actually going to move that into the same directory where I have the Java debugger that I'm going to use for this. So here at the other end, I have the log files that were sent to me to help that person, and for me to install the actual rule, all I need to do is go here and extension management, and actually import that zip file that has the content of the actual rule with all the dependencies as we saw before. Now, as it was shown in the videos, the part 7 of this series of videos, all the person that is going to help me at the other end needs to do is actually run the rule debugger program, as you see the syntax here, and then the logs are here, the rule is here, all the components have been exported, so this person can help me debug the rule or troubleshoot the rule. And we see that in this case, after the problem is resolved, has to do with the category, the rule fires. So this is a way of sending the rule with all the dependencies as well as the log to someone else in another curator system to help you debug the rule.